Hello, everyone. I'm Monica. And if you've gotten to this video, it's probably because you're looking for a natural alternative that helps you weight loss in a healthy way without strict diets. So pay attention to this video because I will present you all the information about the supplement HoneyBurn. See if HoneyBurn really works, its main benefits, ingredients guarantee, how to take and if HoneyBurn really delivers what it promises. Watch the review until the end, because I bring two important alerts, right? Well, according to numerous studies, weight loss happens when an enzyme called lipase breaks down fat in the body to turn it into energy. Besides that, it also stops new fat from getting stored. In some people, the lipase levels are lower, meaning they can't lose weight that effectively the solution something that naturally boosts the levels of lipase in the body so you can lose weight and keep it off for good while still enjoying your favorite foods and drinks. That's why HoneyBurn was created to help you burn fat efficiently and without suffering, boosting your lipase levels. HoneyBurn is a 100% all-natural purple honey designed to boost lipase production and accelerate your ability to burn fat. Lipase is the enzyme that turns body fat into energy and stops new fat from getting stored. In addition to lipase, the ingredients inside HoneyBurn have also been shown to have numerous additional antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals with anti-aging properties. HoneyBurn is the only formula that contains 11 powerful natural ingredients that work in perfect synergy and contains a proprietary blend of kudzu extract, raspberry extract, olive leaf extract, berberine, holy basil, royal jelly, propolis, and bee bread infused into organic southern honey. It's manufactured in the United States and all of the ingredients inside of HoneyBurn have been proven to be safe in clinical trials, and are constantly tested for purity and to ensure against toxins and contaminants. Moreover, HoneyBurn is manufactured in an FDA-approved facility under sterile, strict and precise standards. With more than 36,220 customers haven't seen any notable side effects. And how should you take HoneyBurn? The honey mixture comes in a liquid dropper. You just fill the dropper up and squeeze it into your mouth or use it to flavor your preferred beverage. Just take one serving in the morning and one at night. It couldn't be easier. Now I have two very important alerts. First, for you who want to start your weight loss in a healthy way with the support of the supplement HoneyBurn, it is essential that you follow the continuous treatment of 3 months at least to get more effective results and lose fat considerably. You do not need to follow a restrictive diet. But it is important in this process to eat well and healthier as well as exercise. This will affect your quality of life for the better, right? Second alert for you who want to buy the original supplement HoneyBurn now to support your healthy weight loss. Buy only on the official website of the manufacturer to keep you safe. HoneyBurn is not sold on sites like eBay and Amazon. So to help you, the link of the official website of HoneyBurn is below in the description of the video, and the comment fixed to help you the official website of the manufacturer is below in the description. I hope I have helped you with the essential information of HoneyBurn and hope you get great results with purple honey. Just like thousands of other people are having. Thanks for